Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Jay Sparkler here. So today you guys, I am just going to go through a couple of my pick for 2025 foundation that I use and really love on my skin. Just a couple of it I'm going to show you. So if you do have a pick for 2025, you can also show me what you got. So I'm just going to show you just a couple of the things that I really use and love for 2025. So I'm going to talk about this concealer, and this is from Revolution. I love this concealer, you guys. It's really of a nice concealer for your under eye. It does brighten your under eye. It doesn't crease under your eye, under eye. And I also love their foundation. So I have two foundation from them. This one is the Revolution Skin Silk Luminous foundation, serum foundation. This is so beautiful on the skin. Also for mature skin, I really do love it, you guys. So let's show you what it look like here, and then we're gonna show you what they also the concealer look like here and the back of my hand. So these are product that for 2025 I am really interested in. These I really love this foundation, you guys. They doesn't crease. It make your face look really nice and natural whenever using it. So let's blend here and let's show you what the foundation first look like on the back of my hand. So this is the foundation here, and this is how it look on the back of my hand when I blend it out. And then we're gonna go for the concealer. So this is also the concealer here. So if you blend the two together, this is how it look on your face, you guys. So this is it. So this is something that for 2025 I really enjoy these products. Also we have this here. This is the elf soft glam foundation, you guys. I don't know, I really love this also. This is really of a great tube foundation here for the skin. It look really good. The luminosity of it is really nice. So let's show you how when you blend it here, how it really look on the skin. You can use a small amount of this, goes a long way, especially for mature skin. I couldn't tell when I really go to Sephora or to buy a foundation. I mostly go with the drugstore one. If I can find them and they work for me, why not? So this is also something that really nice on the skin. This is it up here, you guys. You can see it's very nice on the skin. So I am going for that one also. So let's talk about this one. I remember when these come out and I never really go for it, but then after I tried it, I love it. And this one is a 24-hour skin tinted foundation from Maybelline Superstay. And this is amazing. It's not too thick. It's blend really good on the skin. It make your face look really flawless and natural. So let's talk use a little pump of this, you guys. And as I said, I didn't go for it when they just come out, because sometimes I don't go for a product where people run down as it come out. I'll wait and see afterward to see the review on it before I end up purchasing it. So this is it here, and you can see how it just take to the skin. As I said, it's just really beautiful on the skin, you guys. So this is Maybelline Superstay 24-hour skin tinted foundation with vitamin C in it, you guys. And this is also a great foundation for whether summer or winter, or if you're a person that don't like a lot of foundation, this is awesome for you to use. So we're gonna go into another one here from Maybelline, and this one here, I did bought this when it come out and I do love it. I have 2 bottles of this, and this is the Superstay from Maybelline 30-hour luminous foundation, and mine is in 340. This is it, you guys. I love this, I swear. I have it on today on my face. I really do love the blendability of it. It's really, really look nice on the skin. So let's show you what this one also look like. If you're thinking of getting a drugstore foundation and you have second thought, wondering how it does work, how it blend out, this is it, you guys. So this is Maybelline Super Stay 30 Hour Matte Luminate Matte Foundation. This is it, you guys. And this is it right here on my hand. You can see it looks so natural. It don't really look like, you know, a foundation. So I also have this one again, and this is from Maybelline, and it's so funny about it that I loved some of these Maybelline products that they carry. When I remember when Maybelline have Fit Me, I still have Fit Me here, and I usually love them, especially, you know, blending on my skin, and then I stop. So this is also another Maybelline product here, and these some of these foundations, when you buy them, if you find them to be a little bit thick, just add some moisturizer to it or a little bit of oil, and you are good to go, my friend. As long as you add, then I'm telling you, it will pay it off on your skin. So this is it, and you can see the blendability. These are really, really beautiful, like really beautiful, nice foundation. You don't have to break the bank to get really nice foundation. Go to the drugstore, check out what you want, and then you also can purchase. So this one is Maybelline, and this one is 30 hour, and this is $3.55. Okay, so here we have this one here. This one is CoverGirl, and this one is CoverGirl True Blend Skin Bronzer. So this is, I like this also because, you know, it helped me not to apply a lot of product on my skin whenever I am applying product nowadays, because of my age gap. So this is something that I did bought, and I tried a couple of times, and I did really, really like it. So let's blend out it. It's like a luminous thing. You can see it right here, and my hand right here. I use it a couple of times, and I really like, it's like a bronzing glowing thing. I'm gonna just put a little bit on my nose here for you guys to see what I'm talking about. So this is how it looks on my face. So the other one here that I do love, and we are gonna go in with Elf. So I do love the Elf all-nighter setting spray. Like, this is the balm, you guys. It's really nice. It keep your foundation, it locked in your foundation and the face. So this is something that I really and truly love. The other one here that I'm also going to talk about today is their Power Grip Primer. You guys get this stuff. This stuff holds your makeup really, really good, and it make your skin feel really, really nice. The funny thing about this that I have two of them, I think, and I like to use them. You can see, you know, I have something similar to this that I bought from Shein that they said also hold. It's like it is not like, you can see it is a grip primer here, very grippy, and this is something that I also use on my skin, and I do love this. This is the balm, and the price point is not really, really bad. I also tried this one here, which is the Remo Multitask Wake Me Up. You can use this as a foundation. You can also use this as a primer. It comes with like a little thing here, and let's show you what it blend and how it blend on the skin. And I'm using this powder thing here, and I use this on my face like a couple of times. I use this, and I did like it. You can see it, it just hold, the primer just hold this thing here, hold this concealer foundation on my face really, really good, you guys. So this is something that I'm also love for 2025, and this is just a couple of my drugstore foundation primer that I love and wearing. Also, we have this one. This is a tinted moisturizer hydration from Maybelline Fit Me. I don't know, I tried this and I did like it. I still like it, but because I have so much foundation, sometimes it's hard for me to and I don't wear makeup like how I usually wear it, because when my skin get that good, I don't. So this is hit also. And let's blend it out here. And the skin, you can see the whole like Maybelline product, the whole of them, I think most of them blend the same way in foundation. They have this really nice blendability, really, really good. So let's talk about their powder. This is one of their powder. I have two of these, one to set underneath the eyes and one to set my whole face. I am wearing this one today and I really also love it. It's really blend really pretty good. There's no doubt about the blendability of it. I like to use this to blend on my whole face, this one, and then I have the other one that I use also under my eyes, and you can see it's really blend really, really good here. The other thing about it, I use this because I was using it on my face. Usually I use this to help blend the concealer underneath my eyes, this sponge, and then if I'm gonna use another powder, I will just use a different one of these to just blend the powder on my eye. My favorite under eye powder is from Revolution, and this is the Banana Bake Light Tan Powder. You guys, this one, this one, you wear this, it doesn't have crease, it doesn't give you a crease. Once you apply it under your eyes, just a small amount, when you apply it, just dust off the majority on the back of your hand and just use this to blend under your eye. It will keep you, it doesn't really even budge. Like for me, when I wear it, I don't get my under eye to be creased. Today I'm wearing it underneath my eyes here, and you can see my under eye doesn't crease. So this is really a great banana powder to have, and these are all drugstore product I'm showing you. The other one here, concealer, that I really like, and this one is a full coverage concealer. This one is, I think, is it from the Beauty Supply? I think also that this one is also from the Beauty Supply, but this is something that I don't really do without, and these are the LA Girl color. These are awesome. They are affordable, they're cheap, everything in one. And when you bought these, you just have to just blend them out properly. I love them because they do really look nice underneath the eyes. They do look nice underneath your brow bone. So you guys, these are like crazy. The other thing here that I also like, that I use, this is my 2025 product that I'm talking about, you guys, and this is from NYX. This is the Buttermilk bronzer. I do love this. I have other bronzer which I use, but this is something that I reach for a lot. Like this bronzer, I reach for this so much, like you can see. And this is from NYX, you guys. And you don't have to go and get expensive brands. So these are really affordable. Especially, I like to buy my stuff when they're on sale. So you guys, these are some of my pick for 2025 that I would recommend for people and for mature skin. And as I said, you don't have to use a lot of these products. You just use a small amount and then you are good to go. And I just want to say thank you so much again for watching, and I will see you in my next upload. Bye for now.